Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a quick tour of 656 Waller Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located near DuBose Park, and here we are. It's also located just south of Lower Haight with lots of food and drink and social pub kind of options. There's DuBose Park, only half block away, and DuBose Triangle. It was such a fabulous area, very walkable with a walk score of 95. Okay. Well, it's only 1 mile to Mission Dolores Park, and we only have a 9-minute walk to Whole Foods Market, and then a little closer to actual Safeway. Okay, what is this? This is Haight Street, food and drink, a lot of drinking on the Haight, Lower Haight. Here we are on the exterior, another beautiful day in San Francisco. Lots of bicycles zipping by. I love that. It feels like it's full of life. This is just a wonderful part of the city. Here we are on the exterior, absolutely gorgeous 3-unit building, wonderful paint scheme, and just well-maintained, absolutely gorgeous building. This is the middle unit. We're going to be taking... Okay, fantastic. Let's go ahead and step into this beautiful flat. Great. You'll notice you have a digital entry when you first walk in, carpeted stairs. The whole apartment has been recently painted. Let's take a look at the front room here. This is the smallest of the rooms, but still really quite nice size. Looks like there's a bit of a closet there, front facing. This room, by the way, measures about 10.9 by 9.7 feet. Okay. Here is the front living room on the right, could be a converted bedroom. And this is about 12.5 feet by 17 feet. 12.5 by 17. Quite a nice size room. Those are pocket doors right there. I'm going to be closing those in just one moment. And this room right here is about 12.6 by 14. But right now we're in 12.6 by 17. Okay. But this bedroom right here is 12.6 by 14 feet. And just to let you know, if this is going to be 2 rooms with a roommate situation, for $500 we can have this insulated and drywalled, so it would help with noise. If you want that to be more of a real wall, we can put that all back together. Okay, this is a walk-through closet, and this is going to the bedroom near the kitchen, about 13.7 feet by 12.5. So 13.7, 12.5. And this does have its own closet as well. Nice size. Okay, this room is 11 feet by 15 feet, approximately. And this would be considered the formal dining room, but I think a lot of people would use it as a living room area. By the way, there is a shared yard right downstairs, 1 floor below. The kitchen is so large, I believe you could put a table in the kitchen and then use that just as a living room. So here's the kitchen. I believe it's a new gas range. Includes a dishwasher, a nice sized pantry. Big fridge. And then there is its own washer and dryer, and back here, and this room could just simply be used as storage. So lots of storage back here and your own washer and dryer. Okay, these stairs right here actually go down to the backyard, so just to let you know what that looks like. There's 3 units in the building, and this is a shared backyard. Okay, let's take one more tour through the unit. Bedroom, split bath, bedroom, converted bedroom, and smaller office or bedroom. Gorgeous building, great location, great price. Here are a few still images of the property. Okay, that pretty much concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck in your home search.